How to share WhatsApp group link without admin. So let's get started. A WhatsApp group link, as the name implies, is a URL that allows you to join the group using different links. With just one click, you can join the specific link and it is mostly generated by the group admin. Basically, the group admin creates this link so anyone can join it without manually adding each member. There are many other benefits of creating WhatsApp group link like ease of use, control and security. So, now, how to share WhatsApp group link. If you want to share the WhatsApp group link, there are multiple ways, but using the QR code is the most efficient way. Use the QR code to join and share a WhatsApp group link. It is a simple method and works for everyone on both Wave, Android, and iPhone devices. Open your WhatsApp app and open the chat where you have the WhatsApp group link and click on the link and you will be asked to scan the QR code on the screen. You will be asked whether to join the group or not. That's it. You have finally joined the group. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.